For the 30-metre sprint, my client got a score of 4.61, and in normative data his score was in the poor section, meaning that there is lots of room for improvement in this component of fitness, this component of fitness being speed. The way that I'm going to get my client to improve his speed is with two different base drills, one drill being deadlifts in the gym and the other being sled sprints. With my client performing deadlifts, I will get him to perform these once a week and will decide when in the week, when we know when his fixtures are for the upcoming weeks, so we can work around these so he is fully fit for them. When this day comes, I will get him to perform 4 sets of 10 reps with the weight that is most challenging for him but is doable with the right form and not putting him at any risks. We will have to trial this out on the first week with starting at a low weight and gradually increasing the weight until we can find the right weight for him. We will also aim to up the weight each week, even if it is with minimal increases. This will still be beneficial to him and his progress. The second drill being sled sprints. With this, we will get my client to do this twice a week when doing 4 sprints of a distance of 15 meters. We would then every 2 weeks get my client to do one more sprint and would time all of his sprints to make sure that there is improvement being made. It is good that we are performing both of these drills as sled sprints improves his acceleration and deadlifts improve his overall speed, so then there should hopefully be improvements in his overall speed as we're covering both parts. The second strategy is to improve my client's sit and reach. From my client's sit and reach test, we can see from the results that only one of his scores being in the average section and the others being all below average, so there needs to be improvement for my client in this component of fitness. I believe the best way to improve my client's flexibility is to do stretching, covering the whole body. Here we can see my plan for my client's stretching routine. With this routine, it covers the whole body, and we will get my client to go through this routine once a week, and whenever they train or play a match, to do it after as part of their cool down. Gradually over time, this will improve my client's flexibility massively and also get his body more used to the stretching when in game or doing the sit and reach test. I will also demonstrate to my client every single stretch of these so that he is performing them all properly so that he can get the full benefits from them.